And this station is the night station. They are doing package. After checking the products and come to the stations, you can see here they are packing and doing package. Here they will count the numbers and put them into the bag. Just make sure your product is fine and good enough to be protected. And then here we will make the small package into a big package. We can see further of those final products. Oh, the products sports bra are well packaged into this big box. So you've already know the station from first one. We do the design from our designer and then into the last station of package. I think you've already know more about our seamless wear production. So if you have want to know more about our seamless production, please contact us and welcome to have more cooperation with us. Thank you. We are Spark.